Ready to unlock the power of Web3 by connecting your Phantom wallet to Thirdweb? First, head over to the Thirdweb dashboard. You'll see a prominent Connect Wallet button, usually located at the top right of the screen. Give that a click. A window pops up displaying a list of supported wallets. Find the Phantom Wallet logo in the list and select it. The Phantom Wallet extension will now open, asking you to approve the connection request from Thirdweb. It's crucial to review the permissions being requested. If everything looks good, click the Connect button within the Phantom Wallet to authorize the connection. Phantom might ask you to select an account if you have multiple wallets. Once approved, Thirdweb will confirm the connection. You should see your Phantom Wallet address displayed in the dashboard, indicating a successful link, often where the prompt to connect the wallet was. Congratulations! Your Phantom Wallet is now connected to Thirdweb, giving you access to all of Thirdweb's suite of Web3 tools and infrastructure. You can now use your Phantom Wallet to deploy smart contracts, mint NFTs, and much more. Thirdweb and Phantom, together making Web3 development easier than ever.